Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Instagram stories. So first of all, what you will need to do is head over to your Instagram app, and then once you open up your Instagram app, you'll be obviously on this page right here. And what you can do now is you can go ahead and start creating a story as you would usually. So if I click on the little plus icon right here, so I will just choose this screenshot right here for this video example. And as you can see, there is options in the top right hand corner. So the one we need in today's video will be the stickers option. So once you click on stickers, you will get all of these options right here. And the one we need in today's video will be music. So if you click on music, you'll be brought to this page, and obviously now you will see all of the music that is recommended for you. You've also got a search bar right at the top to search for whatever music that you want. And you can also go to browse and see all of the most popular music at the moment. So what you can do once you have found the track that you want to add, you can then click on it. And then as you can see, it will be put on your story right here, and you can go ahead and customize it as much as you want. You can remove the lyrics and have the music only. And then once you are happy, you can click on done. As you can see, that's how simple it is to add music to your Instagram stories, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.